Hey guys, this is E with Scrapbooking with Me, and I'm still a little bit under the weather, but I am getting better. I'm not up to doing a full tutorial yet. I lose my voice when I talk so long, so I know that makes my husband happy. It might make a lot of other people happy, but it doesn't make me happy. So I was just going to show you some of the things that we got in the shop this week. This will be just a quick little video. And I know a lot of people like to see the paper, each individual sheet. So I was just going to show you that. And hopefully I won't lose my voice or start a, see, I can't even talk, or start a coughing spell in the middle of it. But I've been missing you guys. I wanted to get back on, at least do something. I started to do a live, but then when I talked just for a little bit this morning, I started coughing really bad. So I thought, oh, if I do the live, I will end up coughing halfway through it, so can't do that yet, but we will get there. But this one is from Echo Park, and it's called Easter Wishes. We got this paper in this week, and this is really, really pretty. So I was going to show you these. Lots and lots of people like to see the individual sheets, and I love to show them too. You know I love that one. And there are our little Easter chicks and the eggs. I'm going to be doing some projects with this later on in the week. I love that one. So hopefully I can get my voice back enough that I can do the projects that I have planned. I have quite a few planned, so. But this is really cute. Look at that. The carrots. And then this one. I love these spring colors. Aren't you ready for spring? I am so ready. I'm so ready to get this mess out of my head and be able to get out and work in the garden and plant some flowers. Oh, of course, I'll probably stop up again from all the pollen out there. We're having pollen already here in the south, so it's not a good thing for my allergies. Isn't that pretty? These are your little cutouts that you can use if you make a little mini album or something. And then the back of that's really pretty. And there's the 4x6 cutouts. I just love it. I think it's so cute. And there's more. Let's go on an Easter egg hunt. It's so cute. I love little bunnies anyway. And then here are the sticker sheets. And then down here at the bottom, you've got a whole row of the little Easter eggs that you can use for your borders. It says Happy Easter. This would make such a cute little mini album. I want to do a mini album, but I've got some other things that I want to do using it too. So I can't decide which I want to do. I'll probably do both. And then we do have the coordinating solids that go with it. It has all these colors in it, the same colors that's in the pack of paper. And then we have the chipboard die cuts. And these are a chipboard. And they already have the adhesive on the back. So we have those. And then we have the 6x6 pad, of course. And it is the same paper, it's just in a smaller scale. Have that. This one has 24 double-sided papers, 65-pound cardstock. And then here is the enamel dots. I think those are cute, cute, cute. Look at that. Those are just my favorite colors put together right there. I love it. Okay, so that is the Easter Wishes from Echo Park. Then we have in the Spring Fling, and I love this one for two main reasons. One is these little boots, these little what are they called? Water boots, rain boots. I love those little rain boots, and I love the butterflies on here. I want to do a big wreath for my door using the little plastic rain boots, and if I can find some the color that I want, I'll be doing that and showing you how to do that. It's quick and easy, but it is so, so cute. But this is the Spring Fling 12 by 12. Look at that. Is that not beautiful? I don't know how you could get a paper any prettier. Look at the back. It looks like this one has 2 of each sheet, I think. There's the cutouts. And that. And the little snail is so cute. Little clouds. There's the back. And then you have this one. This is cutouts as well. Spring, bloom, grow, and shine. Life is fun with you. Isn't that cute? And then there's the back of that one. I love the checks they're putting in the papers this time. And then look at these rain boots. I want some. I want that color right there, and I'm not having any luck finding them. I want that light, not the lightest pink, but like the medium pink for my door, to make my wreath for my door. So I'm not having any luck finding that color, but I may end up going with a different color. And then look at the kites. Aren't they cute? And then here is the 4x6. Sunshine, flowers, birds, and butterflies, green grass. That's what I'm looking for. There's my butterfly paper. Love, love, love it. And then here is the sticker sheets. Isn't that cute? All kinds of good stickers on there. Now, I do believe that I think we have some 6x6 in that as well. I'm not sure. Not sure if there's any of that left, but I know we have plenty of the 12 by 12. And then we have plenty of all of this collection on here. But then I also wanted to show you one other thing. And I'm slowly losing my, my voice, as you can tell, so I'm not going to be able to stay long. But we've got in some new stamps and dies, and this is from Color Play. This is Easter Joy, and this is the stamp set. It has that stained glass window, the, I guess that's a tulip, I don't know, little flower, that little fish thing. See, I can't even think of what anything's called today. That has joy, it has wishing you a blessed, and then you can either put Easter, whatever on there, and then it has the cross, and then there's another flower. Somebody tell me in the comments below what kind of flower that is. It's not a tulip. I can't remember. Anyway, let me know in the comments below. Help my mind today, because my mind is absolutely gone. And then you have another stamp that says happy, and you could use Happy Easter. And I love how they put the cross right there for the T in that Easter. Isn't that cute? Then we have the matching dies. Now you have a die for the cross, and a die for the window, for the stained glass window. A die for the little fish. I call it a little fish. I know it has another meaning, but a die for that. And then a die for the flowers. There and there, I think. There we go. So you have dies to match everything except your words. And of course you don't need the dies to match your words. But you can buy both of these. You can buy them separate. We have them listed separate. You can add them together if you want. But we have those in. I think we still have maybe 5 or 6 sets of these. But I'll be doing a card, hopefully tomorrow, if my voice holds out. I'll be doing a card using this stamp and die set tomorrow. So that is what I wanted to show you today. And I also wanted to just tell you that I really appreciate all of you who have been sending me well wishes and prayers and hugs and get well and all of that. I really, really appreciate it. I have felt every one of them. And I would not be back here doing this, not feeling as well as I do, if it weren't for you guys. You guys make it all worthwhile, I'm telling you. Just, you know, I've met lots of you, and I've talked with lots of you. I've talked with lots of you on Facebook and on Messenger and that kind of thing, and y'all are just awesome. That's just all I can say is you're awesome. But I also wanted to let you know this is, you know, maybe a ways away. I have no idea. But I always believe in setting your goals high. Because if you set them low and you reach them, then you don't strive. You don't keep striving for things, and you don't keep working towards something. So I have always set my goals really high for myself. Sometimes I make it. Sometimes I like a little, but then I just keep working until I do reach that goal. I don't think I've ever set one that I actually have not reached. It may have taken me a little while longer, but I reached them. But I'm setting a goal for myself. And it's going to take all of you guys to help me out. But I'm going to give you a reward for helping me out. When our channel reaches 100,000 subscribers, and yes, I am a ways away from 100,000 subscribers, but like I said, I like to set my goals out there. Sorry about the glare. Let me see if I move that light. I like to set my goals up so that I have something to work for and strive for. So I'm setting my goal at 100,000 subscribers. Not even going to give it a limit of time or anything. When we reach 100,000 subscribers, I am giving away a Cricut maker. So if you know of anybody who likes crafts, who might be interested in my channel, whatever, just share this video. Just tell them to come over and subscribe, and then they can share the video as well. Share it on your social medias, your Facebook, your Instagram, your Twitter. Share it wherever, and just ask your friends to subscribe to our channel. Because I know that with your help, we can do it. It's not out of reach. It's out there. I know that we can. So I would like for you to help me reach this goal, and then I am going to give away a Cricut maker to one of my subscribers. The only requirement that will be to get to be entered for the Cricut maker is that you are a subscriber. And that's it. That's all that's required. Just be a subscriber to our channel. So go ahead and share this. Start inviting people. The more people that subscribe, the better off you are, because the closer you are to maybe winning that Cricut maker. And who knows, by the time we get to 100,000, I may give away a Cricut maker and a Brothers Scan and Cut. Who knows? So we'll see. Just let's see how quick we can get there. If we get there really fast, I may give away both of them. All right, guys, we will talk to you later. Thank you so much. I love you guys, and thanks for all your prayers. I miss all of you that were on the cruise with us. I wish we was back together again doing some crafts. I miss you, and I really appreciate all of you. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.